Geoff, as we move towards the end of 2024, give us a wrap-up of the year and what we can expect for 2025.
Thank you, Andrew. Of course, there's been a lot of policy work this year, and the electric vehicle, the new standards that are coming through, that's been really central in what we've been doing, but a whole lot of stuff around franchise codes and codes for the body repair industry. It's been very busy. The team have worked really hard, and I thank everybody in the team here. I thank all of the committee members that sit across our 15 divisional committees, and of course the members that help feed information into those committees and through the Policy Council. Thank you. Your input is really, really valuable, and that's what informs our policy position with government. Of course, yesterday we've got new announcements made by the government talking about new incentives for electric vehicles, and that's great. We look forward to that. And January 1, the NEVs, the Vehicle Efficiency Standard for EVs, starts in the beginning of January and really starts to bite midway through the year. So that'll be a big focus of what we're doing next year. We also want to get a new code through, mandated code if we can get it later on, but first of all to get a new code up for the body repair industry as well. It's been very busy. I thank every single member that makes a contribution and helps support their own association. Thank you, and I look forward to 2025, and I'll see you then.